This experiment we are performing feature selection and feature extraction on two datasets. We first clean and pre-process the data by handling missing values, our scalable and scalable. The first question, I load the dataset and check its rows, columns, data types, and statistical information. For the first one, we got the output like this. My second question, I divide the data into 80% training and 20% testing. Training is used to learn and testing data is kept separately. The third question, I check how many rows and columns are present in the training and testing of datasets. The fourth question, I scale numerical features so that they are on similar scale, approximately mean 0 and standard deviation 1. Fifth question, I calculate what percentage of values are missing in each column. So this is the output for the fifth question. The sixth question, whether if a feature has more than 20% missing values, I remove that feature because too much information is unavailable. So this is output. The seventh question, for the remaining missing values, I fill numerical values using the median and categorical values using the mode. So this is the output for the seventh question. In the eighth question, I detect unusual values using the IQR method and remove. After removing, we got output like this. The ninth question, variance threshold finds features whose values never change. Such features don't provide useful information, so remove it. So this is the output for the ninth question. The tenth question, I remove features that change very little because they contain less useful information. The 11th question, if two features are more than 90% correlated, they contain very similar information, so I remove one of them. The 12th question, this method statistically rank features and select the most useful ones by looking the data. This is the output for the 12th one. The 13th question, I calculate relationship between features and display them using correlation measurements. So this is a heat map. The 14th question, PC combines the original features into fewer newer features called principal components while trying to preserve maximum information. The 15th question, LDA also reduces dimensions per rates to create components that separate different classes as much as possible.